But I'd waited like 20 minutes, maybe half an hour for the cops to come, only for him to tell me, you can go. While you're doing the lash sheet, I'll tell you a funny story about not remembering your name. So many years ago, I was working in Greenacre, and me and my wife were driving home, and we were a witness to a pretty horrific accident, actually, where a woman had driven straight through a red light and T-boned another car. Absolutely annihilated this car, and her car as well. You know, traffic lights were turned off, all the rest of it. Cops were rung. We stayed back as witnesses to the accident. Now, some people were saying she didn't go through the red light, but I was behind her and I clearly saw her go through a very red light. So the copper says to me, or the police officer says to me, and what's your name? And with that, I stood there dumbfounded, couldn't even remember my name. And he said, you can go. And he's putting the feeler gauges in there, turning his right hand, as you can see on that big tool, and then he's locking it up with that Allen key that goes through the centre of it. Oh! Must have loosened it the first time there.
There's two types of push rods, you know. There's hardened and unhardened. And if you don't have hardened, with guide plates, you've got to have hardened push rods.
Yeah.
And that is straight, and that is straight.
Something I've just noticed, on this offset left rocker, and this is an old one and a new one, Scorpion have now put an L on the top. That's a great idea.
I back the nuts off just to.
I just figured it out. That's on the wrong side. That?
It's meant to be.
Why is it there? It's supposed to be over there. Why is that there and not there?
That's recent.
You're at a different angle.
Yeah. Okay. So what do we got there? Just enough.
Even with the big bar, that was tight.
What can I do for you?
Give me the torque wrench, please. I get that a lot. People call me Jesus.
Jesus.
They say I look like Jesus. Do you think I look like Jesus? More globlets. Look at it. Globbing everywhere. I'm bleeding!
It's actually.
Yeah, that's right. that's tight. That ain't 45 pound. Who put these in? And say that's an oil gallery. Oh, that's tight.
Okay,
Can you get it from that angle? Give it a go. Might be the angle on that. Because I'm reaching up and over the car.
yeah, it wasn't too bad, that one.
I'll get you to grab a torque wrench there. Because I'm at the wrong angle here. Paul, if you can kindly torque that up. When you've done the lash on that one, we just got one more to go.
8 on a Chevy, mate.
As he keeps reminding me. Chevy. Do you know what Mark Warman says?
What?
If it ain't a Mopar, it's no car. That's why I have a Mopar and a Chev. No, I sold my Ford.
The car's finished and all done, but you still gotta watch the whole video. So, like and subscribe to Garage Days.